Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Mary and this is Chloe. Today's hair tutorial is how to blend your short hair with clip hair extension. Let's go! Today I'm going to use Nasahair clip-in hair extension and I will put the product link in the description box. This clip-in hair is very amazing and versatile because anyone can pin it on the head. How is it going today, Chloe?
Oh, I'm very happy to be here today.
Have you ever tried clip-in hair extension before?
No, I have, and this is my first time, so I'm very excited now.
Okay, I will transform you into a new person. Are you ready?
Yes.
The first step is to section up the hair just below your ears. Pull everything above the comb up into a bun. Then find a weft hair that has 4 clips sewn to it. Snap open the comb-like clips on your weft. Position the weft right over the horizontal part and slide combs into your hair as close to the roots as possible. And snap them shut. Start with the sides first, then do the middles. Step 2. Let down another section of hair. Use your red tail comb to create a horizontal part that is level with the middle of your ears and gather everything above into a bun. Insert 2 3-clip weft into the roots just below the part. Again, insert the side clip first, then do the middle. Section the hair to the opposite side. Secure it with a clip and insert a 2-clip weft spade evenly above your left ear. Repeat this step for the right ear. That's all the clip-in hair extension on Chloe's head. And Chloe, how was your first time? I can see a great difference here.
Yes, as you can see that I'm very enjoyed and I see your transformation with my hair and I see that it really blend with my short hair. And I can live that with a couple of minutes that from having my short hair to become pretty much like this. Yes, I feel like a feminine moment and I feel that it's not really hard to pin it.
Thank you. I'm very delighted to hear that. Next time, by any chance, I will invite you as my guest, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. I hope you enjoy our video today. And if you want to change your look now, please click in the product link in the video description. And if you love our video, please like, share, and subscribe for the next video. Goodbye.
Bye.